Hey guys, I'm Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my birthday gift, which is a Coach quilted leather tabby bag, and it's the 20-inch. This bag came beautifully packaged. As you can see, it has a brown bow, which is perfect for fall. Okay, I'm going to be wearing this for the first time. I did open it already on my actual birthday, but I did place it back in the box. So let's get started. Tell you, this is really packaged beautifully. I love it. Came in the bag that I'll be keeping. Make sure that I put it back in this bag, especially in the off season. Now, as soon as I saw this bag on Instagram, I knew I had to have it. I love it. It is perfect for fall. The brown and the black, the leather. You have your suede and you have your smooth leather. It smells so good. I love this bag. And I love the gold Coach buckle.
All right.
If you open it up, you can see that it has a leather divider. It's beautiful. Now, this is the 20 size, which is the smaller version. You can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. Yeah, this particular one, this 20 size, retails for $495, and the larger size, the 26, retails for $650. Coach has really been making a comeback the last few years. I love their new designs. I love their new items. This is perfect for me. Now, for reference, I'm 5'1", so short girl. This is how it hits on me in the crossbody, which is probably how I'm going to wear it, especially today. I'm on my way to a baby shower, so this is going to be perfect. You do a double strap shoulder bag. Yeah, so I'll be having this item. You'll see it in future videos. Get ready with me when I'm getting ready to go out, because I'm telling you, this is all I'm going to be rocking this fall. Yeah. This is the perfect size for my iPhone and for my wallet. So this is what I'm rocking.